So I'm taking a little side break here, not a break really, but a little sidetracked here. I was going to work on something else today, and we will get to that, I'm hoping. But in cleaning off my bench top, I had put this on here months ago, and it is like super loose and falling apart. It actually was in like 5 pieces or 4 pieces. So I had put it together, just friction held basically. And now I decided, well, I was thinking about it then, I'm going to screw this base in here. So I've already pre-drilled. And these screws are pretty short, 1.25 inches, so they'll go in there, but not, they're not going to come through the front. So those can go in as is. I used this right here to pre-drill, so it makes a nice bevel for the screw head, and it gives a little clearance for the screw. You don't want to just drive them in hardwood. Hardwood will split, and then you have problems. So you really need to pre-drill everything. Now the ones that are going in the side here, I need to screw these legs in here. I also need to screw them in here. Now, yes, I could be gluing and screwing, but honestly, I think we're going to have enough here if we screw this thing really good. So for these, I need to drill out more. So I preset this bit so it's a little shorter than my screw. So I'm going to go in here, and that way I'm using fine threaded screws for hardwood. They're pretty narrow. That's good. And all I need is the threads to catch. It's hardwood. It's not like pine or anything else. It's hardwood. It's hard maple or hard oak in most cases. And this is an old piece, so this is very dry, and the wood's even harder. And then I'm going to pre-drill these down here because I don't want anything to split down here. Now when you're drilling and doing this, you have to hope that somebody didn't drive nails in. And if they did, you want to make sure you miss them because that's going to mess up your bits. In this case, I could see some nails down here, nail heads, so I was able to avoid them. And I don't think there was any in here, and I don't think I hit any. So now it's time to screw it together, and then we'll oil it later when we work on the bed.